Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how I bring a completely broken piece of plastic. You might think this shattered part is beyond repair, but in just a few minutes, I'm going to turn it into a structurally sound and aesthetically pleasing piece using simple materials and clever techniques. First, I'm gathering my main material, several hot glue sticks. The trick here is to cut them into small, manageable pieces. This helps them melt much faster and more evenly when we apply heat, ensuring a smooth, consistent adhesive. I'm placing these pieces into a small metal bowl. Any heat-safe container will do the job perfectly. Now that all our glue sticks are in the bowl, I'm going to use a heat gun to melt them down. You can see how they transform from solid sticks into a clear, liquid form. It's important to melt them completely to get rid of any lumps, ensuring our repair paste will be perfectly smooth and easy to apply. Next, I'm adding a few spoonfuls of baking soda to our melted glue. The baking soda acts as a strengthening agent and helps transform the hot glue into a more workable, dough-like consistency. I'll stir it thoroughly with both a spoon and some pliers until it becomes a thick, white, and pliable paste. This unique paste is what gives our repair its incredible strength. Here's the victim of today's repair, a broken plastic motorcycle part. As you can see, a large section is completely detached, and there are several cracks. To support the repair, I'm using aluminum foil. This acts as a temporary mold, holding the broken pieces together and creating a barrier so I can work on the inside. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Flipping the part over, you can clearly see the extent of the damage from the underside. Now, I'm taking ordinary metal staples and cutting them into smaller U-shaped pieces. These little metal reinforcements are going to be key to making this repair incredibly strong. I use a utility knife to precisely cut them, ensuring they're ready for the next step. I'm also gathering all these small pieces of metal. Once the staples are cut, I arrange them carefully along the crack on the inside of the fairing. I use tweezers to precisely place each U-shaped staple right over the fracture line. I place each U-shaped staple over the crack and gently press the hot soldering iron onto it, melting the plastic just enough to encapsulate the metal. This creates a sort of internal mesh, acting like rebar in concrete, distributing the stress across the repair and making it much more resistant to future breaks. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. This is important for ensuring maximum reinforcement where it's needed most. As the plastic softens, the staple sinks in, creating a powerful fused bond. I work my way along all the cracks, embedding each staple securely. I'll continue this process, systematically embedding more staples along all the major crack lines. This method is surprisingly effective and creates a robust internal skeleton for the plastic. The more staples I embed, the stronger the repair will be. This process effectively welds the metal reinforcement into the plastic, making it incredibly robust. It's like giving the plastic a metal skeleton. With all the staples firmly embedded on the inside, I carefully remove the aluminum tape from the outside of the fairing. You can see how the tape kept everything neat. Next, I'm using a utility knife to gently scrape off any excess glue or plastic residue from the exterior surface, making sure it's as smooth as possible. Now, it's time to apply our super strength glue mixture. I use a spoon to carefully scoop the melted glue and baking soda mixture onto the prepared cracks on the front side. I'll use the spoon to spread and smooth the glue paste on the exterior. We want a nice, even layer that covers the entire repair area. The baking soda helps this glue harden incredibly quickly, providing a solid bond. I'll also add a bit more of the paste to the back for extra reinforcement, building up the layers where needed to further enhance the strength and ensure a robust mend. After applying, I use the utility knife again to carefully scrape away any excess mixture and smooth the surface as much as possible. This ensures a clean, level base for the final finishing steps. Once the glue paste has dried, it's time for sanding. I'm using sanding paper to smooth out the repaired area on the outside. This is where we start to make the repair virtually invisible. I work in circular motions, gradually refining the surface until it's perfectly flush with the surrounding plastic. This removes any bumps, sharp edges, and excess glue, ensuring the surface is perfectly flat and ready for painting. To clean the surface thoroughly and remove any sanding dust or residue, I spray the area with WD-40 and wipe it down with a clean cloth. I repeat this process on both sides to ensure the surface is spotless and smooth. Then, I grab my spray paint and apply an even coat of black paint over the repaired section on the outside. This completely hides the repair and blends it seamlessly with the rest of the fairing. After allowing it to dry, look at the results. Look at this transformation. The fairing is strong and completely repaired, almost like new. You can't even tell it was broken. If you enjoyed this transformation, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY projects. Thank you for watching.